Hi, my name is Nick Modesti from Modesti's Car Care Center. I'm the business manager here, and I wanted to talk to you about some of the things that we're doing during this crisis to help keep you safe, help keep our employees safe. We do have a touchless, contact-free drop-off service now, so you could schedule an appointment here at Modesti's Car Care Center. Call us ahead of time, right before you're about to arrive. Go ahead and park your car in the parking lot in the front of our shop. Leave your keys in the car, and then one of our service advisors will come out, go through the write-up process, and we can email you an invoice, get your permission to work on the vehicle by text or by email. And then when we're finished with the vehicle, we can pick you up. We do have our shuttle service operating, but we're limited to one passenger per ride, and we can reverse the process where we leave the key in the car after we've sanitized it, and then you're ready to go. We can leave the invoice for you on the passenger seat, or if you feel comfortable coming inside, you can do that as well. We are currently not allowing any more than 2 clients to enter our building at one time. Another service that we're offering for your convenience and your safety is a contact-free pay option, and one of our service advisors can arrange that for you when we're finished with your vehicle. We'll send you an invoice by email, and you can pay it from your smartphone or your computer, and then you can pick up your car at your convenience.